Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is October the 29th, 2021. We're going to give you all an Axie Infinity price prediction. We want to know, right? I'm asking you all the question too, if you think Axie is still a buy. Should we buy the market in Axie right now, or should we wait? What do you think? We're going to give you all our perspective based on the price chart as to whether or not we should buy or whether or not we should hold. Now, if you're already into the market in Axie Infinity, that's cool. If you're going to hold this cryptocurrency for the long term, that's cool. We're just trying to figure out this question for anyone who's trying to enter into this play. If right now the price of Axie is trading around $140, will we need to come in and buy it now, or should we wait because we're anticipating the price to go down? Let's address that today on this video. Welcome. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. This is the spot, the location that you're going to get the realest price prediction into the market. We're not here to hype you up. We're not here to give you any persuasion, any FUD, any FOMO. We are giving you all the news based on what price has already done. We're going to predict where the market is going to go. All right. So if you guys want to tap in with me, keep it locked in here. Hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to our channel. So now, before I address that question, let's see what happened into the market from our last price prediction in Axie Infinity. It was right here on September the 24th, 2021. I'm not hiding anything from you all. You guys can see what I said, what I was expecting the market to do, and Axie Infinity completely annihilated what we thought the price was going to do, which is cool, but we were still able to see profitability in our price prediction, 21.21%. Simple. Now the market right here on October the 1st cracked open that restriction line that I got drawn on my chart, $80. It cracked that open to the upside. So that told us that we are going to a different price level, and we haven't been trending down since then, which is cool because it lets us know that that's going to be the new basis. That's the new foundation to where the market's going to try to prop up Axie's price. So under any weakness, under any premise that the price comes down in Axie, we now know where the market's going to try to hold support. 120 first, back down to like $110. That's the new foundation. Okay. Now, if you were to get out the market right now in Axie, we'll be up about 112%. Right? If we were to get out right now, take the bag, take the profitability, and say thanks to the market for giving us the bread, we'll be up 113%. Cool. So now let me go ahead and get rid of this. And now I want to show you all, because we need to clean up our chart. It's been about a whole month since we did a price prediction in this market. So let's clean it up, because obviously the market is trading at a totally different price arena. So first question, are we still trending up higher price in Axie? Yes, but we are so far away from this ascending line, right, that we don't really need to keep it on our chart. We are a staunch advocate to make sure that your chart stay clean. The cleaner the chart, the better you can see where the market is trying to go. So let me get rid of this line here. We don't need it. The market's not even trading alongside that line. So we need to find a foundation. Like I told you already, we did. The market right here in Axie is willing to prop up the price around 120 first. Now for me, I'm going to bring it down a little bit further to the downside so we can try to acclimate any types of weakness that tries to break below 120. I want to give us a cushion for us to continue to follow that, right? So I'm going to bring it down to 105. Okay. So we're going to hold the market support in Axie around 105. Now we've just been simply consolidating in Axie ever since, October the 3rd. So the whole month of October, we've seen Axie Infinity just pretty much trade sideways. We've been trading above $115 and as high as 145, 150. Now, what's going on? When we see markets trade like this, either the market is accumulating or it's selling. That's it. Either the majority of the market participants in Axie for this whole month, either they've been buying or they've been selling. Now, if they've been buying, then they're looking for the price to go exceedingly higher. And they're trying to accumulate whoever's trying to sell the Axie into the market. They're trying to grab it up before the market actually breaks out to the upside. If they've been selling, then once they get done with depleting their bags, then that's when the market's going to drop. Okay, so this process is still ongoing. Now we can actually extend out the time frame to see what the market is really trying to do. So let's look at this on the 2-day time frame in Axie real quick. Okay, let's look at this on the 2-day. So this is the 2-day time frame into the market in Axie. So while we've been seeing this market in Axie sell off, because majority of these 2-day price bars is indicative of the market selling. Majority of these 2-day price bars is exactly what's been going on. Now here we are, we're still seeing the selling come through on this 2-day time, on this 2-day price bar. So we're not necessarily done with the weakness. But as long as price is able to hold $120, 110, even 105, the ability of the price to go up is still there. It's just that simple. We will still be looking for the price in Axie to go up in price. Let's take a look at the market in Axie on the 3-day. This is the 3-day time frame. We got a day and 13 hours left. I'm here to tell you right now, if this market in Axie is able to close up here towards the high of the bar, then I'm looking for the market to go up. But we got a day and 13 hours left. So anything can happen within that time. But right now, let's say that we had an hour left on this 3-day price bar. I'll be playing the strength. I'll be looking for the market to continually go up in Axie. So let's see this on the 5-day then. This is the 5-day time frame. And again, we're still looking at the market in Axie trying to go up in price. Weekly time frame. See, what I'm trying to show you all on these different time frames is that the market is trying to go up. It is. But there's still weakness and selling going on at the same time. So we have to wait until the market in Axie gets rid of the selling before we'll see the market break out. Okay. So let me show you all on the hourly time frame real quick. So you guys can see right here that this last 11-hour price bar, okay, was weak. The market still sold off. There was more selling coming in on this high volume because that's why the market currently is going down. So if you're trying to time the market right now, no, it's not the time to come in and buy the market, because we need to wait until we find out where the market's going to grab support, maybe around 135, 130, 125, no lower than 120 though, right? So look at this on the 7-hour. Let's look at this 3-hour. This is the 3-hour time frame into the market in Axie Infinity. And this is weakness, right? From an hourly perspective, this is weakness. We can expect the market to come down, at least on a 3-hour time frame, price to come down. And I'm looking at 130 to 125 to 120. So from a timing perspective to enter the market in Axie, answer that question that I got in the title of this video. Is right now the time to come in and buy Axie? No, it's not. Not right now. Now, when depending on your preference, right? Depending on your time preference, it just may be. Because if you're looking at this on the 2-day, the market looks pretty decent for us to go up in price, right? Look at this on the 3-day. Market looks pretty decent right now for the market to go up in price. But then when you switch over to the hourly time frame, is where you see the weakness coming in. You see that? So depending on your entry and your exit time preferences, it gives you all the answers that you need or what you need to do. Okay. So now, what we're going to do here on this particular video, since we play this on the daily time frame, we're going to continue to play the strength into the market. Now check this out, because I'm going to show you that yes, this market in Axie is weak right now. So from out the gate, my prediction will be for the price to go down, right? Which is cool, because we already identified that. We saw that on the hourly charts that the market in Axie is weak right now. I'm cool with that. But I also identified and shown you where, as long as the price upholds around 120, 110, no lower than 105, I'm looking for the market to continue to shoot up in price, right? So now let's go ahead and do it. this would bring us into making all-time highs into the market in Axie. And when I see a market trade around all-time highs, anywhere in the green on my price prediction is TP. TP simply means to take the bag, take the profit in the market. We don't want to get greedy because we've never seen the price trade in unfamiliar territory. So we could shoot the market up in green, come right back down in the red, and won't see the price come back up until further out in 2022, right? So anywhere in the green will have to be TP. I'm here to drop that to you right now. Now, let me bring this in closer into the market for Axie. We're going to play the strength here. We're going to try to give it around 3 weeks for this market to do what it has to do. Okay. And we're looking for it to go up. Now, a place for us to take the bag in Axie would be towards all-time highs, which came in right here on October the 4th. The high was $155.27. So we will come in and TP out the market there first. That's about 12.18%. Anywhere outside of there will have to be ultimate TP, right? So first area for us to take the bag is right here, all-time highs at $155. That's the first spot. Anywhere above that, excellent, kudos, grab the majority of the profits there too. Okay, so this is it. We're going to continue to play the strength into the market in Axie, even though I'm telling you already that I can see the price go down initially. I can see that, but I'm not going to be worried because I already anticipated, okay, cool, price goes down, I'm cool with that. 120 definitely. If we see the market grab support at 120, we're still on course to see the market make all-time highs in Axie. So now I asked you all the question in the title of my video, right? Don't buy Axie. Why? That's the question. Because looking at the chart, the market actually tells us that it may be a buy, that the market may actually continue to go up. So I'm asking you all the question now. It's your turn. Should we come in and buy the market in Axie, or should we wait? Are you looking for the market to make all-time highs, or should we wait? Are you looking for the market to come back down to $110? Let me know. Hit me up. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.